Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called BeMyEye, right? And maybe you're wondering, is this legit? How much money can you really make from this website? Can you even make any money from this website, right? Let's check it out. Now, at any time, if you would like to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies online to make money, and some of them are really good, some of them so. A lot of them, though, are big waste of time. So let's check out BeMyEye to find out what this is all about and to see whether this is a good way for you to generate income on the internet. Okay, now BeMyEye is basically a market research company. So clients can come here, like Reckitt Benckiser, Danone, L'Oreal, and they work with them to find out how good their retail strategy is. Okay, but the cool thing is that you can work as one of their research assistants. So if you come to the top of their website, click on Work as an Eye. Okay, now when you click on Work as an Eye, they'll show you here that you can earn money in your spare time. All right, now how do you do this? Okay, so basically they've got about 3 million people all over the world that have downloaded their app, and you basically complete short shopping missions. So essentially what you're doing is you're becoming a mystery shopper. All right, now you can click on here to get the app. Unfortunately, their app is not available in every single country around the world. They are located in most big English-speaking countries. So what you have to do is click on here and see if you can download it, right? If you can, you can. If you can't, you can't, unfortunately, right? They're available in most of Europe, the US, Canada, Australia, big English-speaking countries. Not so big in a lot of the Asian countries, but you can give it a shot. All right. Now they've got over 1 million downloads, which is pretty cool, right? And it kind of looks like this when you downloaded it. Okay, so you're gonna see different offers based on where you're located, right? So they're gonna have a little map, and let me just show you this right here. And based on where you're located in the world, you will have little jobs that will pop up, and you can go to those jobs and complete different tasks and make money. All right. Now, what can you actually do? Okay, so first of all, you're gonna have to pick your mission, okay, based on the map, so that you can see exactly what you're going to do. It kind of looks like this right here. All right, and then once you've done that, you need to go to the store. So this is the only thing about this particular side hustle, right, is that you have to get to the store. Okay, so it's going to cost you a little bit of money to get there, right? So if you have to jump on a train, or you have to jump in a taxi or a bus, or ride your bicycle there, or whatever it is, it's going to take a little bit of time to get to the store. But once you do that, and I'll share a trick with you on how you can do this a bit better, then you need to complete the task within the app in order for you to complete that job and get some money. Okay, and then you get paid. This will be transferred to the validation team, and they'll just make sure that everything's okay, and they will pay you through PayPal. That's really important. So you need a PayPal account in order for this to work. All right, now what kind of missions can you take part in? All right, all sorts of different types. You can go to a store and answer a few questions and take a few pictures. Okay, you can do the shelf scanner, where you photograph the shelves on the entire category in specific to see what it looks like. You can actually do some mystery shopping to test the customer service of that particular store, speak to the store staff, ask questions, things like that, right? You can do some outdoor, take pictures of storefronts, billboards, things like that. You can look for specific kind of stores, going to different locations, and you can answer things at home related to what you see on TV. Okay, now a lot of them will be around here: geolocation, mystery shopping at the actual store, store checking, and shelf scanner. So expect to see these four here the most. All right, now the big question is how much money can you get paid from this particular opportunity? Okay, well, it depends on the job. It depends on the mission. All right, and you can see here that they give different prices. This is pretty accurate. Okay, so they will pay anywhere from $3 to $8, $9, $10, sometimes $11, depending on the type of mission that you have to take part in. All right, so it's not a ton of money, but it also doesn't take that much time depending on the strategy that you implement into this actual strategy. Okay, so the thing is, look, if you have to commute, like if you're based here and you've got to commute all the way here for the $11 job, then you have to take into account how much it's going to cost for petrol in your car, how long it's going to take you to get there. Maybe you have to pay a taxi, maybe you have to catch a bus or a subway, and then you get there, you have to do the thing. It might take 15 minutes, it might take a bit longer depending on the mission, right? Then you have to ask yourself, is it really worth it to go through all that trouble just to earn $11, or even less, just to earn $3 or $5 or $6? Now only you can answer that question, because how much is your time really worth, right? So this is the strategy that I would personally implement if I was going to do this. Okay, I would only do this if I was close to the mission. If you're too far away from the mission, or if you're going to spend the entire day moving from one mission to another mission to another mission, unless you're located in a city that's very dense, like Manhattan, New York, for example, right? Then it might be worth it. Otherwise, it's going to take you a long time, and you're going to have to cover the own cost of your transport to complete all these missions, and you don't get paid that much money to do it. Okay, so what I would probably do is, if it was one of those things where you've got a little bit of time, it's close by, you open your phone, oh, it's just a block away, then go and do it. Earn an extra $5, earn an extra $8. That might be pretty cool, right? But if you're trying to make this as your full-time job, then unfortunately you're not going to be able to make that much money in order to cover or replace your full-time income, right? Also, it's very important because it really depends on where you live in the world. If you live in a part of the world where BeMyEye has a lot of jobs, then it'll be very easy. Then you can pick up a lot of stuff. There's a lot of partners that they work with, and your map is going to be full of missions. But maybe you live in a part of the world where they don't really have that much stuff going on. There might only be like one or two things, right? So unfortunately, this really has to do with where you live, okay? And this could be a good way to earn some additional extra income, but it can be also quite difficult because you might not have that many opportunities, and you might have to travel pretty far for it, right? But the good news is that BeMyEye is a legitimate company. They are real, they pay out, and I think that if you live in a good part of the world, then mystery shopping and doing a few of, and they've got a few different things you can do. It's not just mystery shopping, it's store checking, it's shelf scanner, geolocation, outdoor, and at home, right? They've got multiple ways to get paid. So I think this is a cool little, way to make some bonus money on the side, but this is not going to, replace your full-time income. You can't travel the world, you can't retire, nothing like that. But if you're in the right part of the world and you want to be a mystery shopper, earn a little bit of extra bonus money when it's convenient for you, then you can check out BeMyEye, and you can download the app from the Google Play Store right here, and you can check it out, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make big money online. Right now on this channel, I reviewed hundreds and hundreds of strategies, right? Some of them are really good, a lot of them are not great at all, right? Some of them in the middle, but out of all the really good ones, I think that there's one strategy that's very realistic. It's good for a beginner who has no experience making any money online to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And if you would like to check that strategy out, just click the link below. I've got a step-by-step masterclass for free that you can check out if you want to go through it, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of BeMyEye. All the best to you, and hope to see you on another video review. Take care.